This is a room tour of room 39108 at the Aria Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. Now as you go into the room, you can tell that it is of a much higher standard than some of the lower end MGM properties in Las Vegas like Excalibur or Luxor. The room itself is fairly clean, it's nice, it's bright, has everything you need. Cupboards, plenty of cupboard space, those hangers, hang anything up you want. Another one here, ironing board, robes if you actually need them. We've got 3 large drawers here to store all of your stuff in. Sorry, 4 large drawers I should say. So there's plenty of space to put things in. So turning around, you can see here the light switch. We have the ability to turn everything off and everything on. Going into the bathroom, it's clean, it's big, spacious, it looks nice. One thing I do like about this is the shower and bath combo. So to get into the bath, you actually need to go through the shower. I feel like this is a little bit strange. It feels Cosmo-esque in some kind of strange way, but the bath is very nice. It's nice and clean. The sink area is very clean, tidy. All the amenities are there. Double sink because this is a queen room. I should also mention it is with a strip view, but you'll see that in a little bit. Toilet is a toilet. It flushes, it works, it does exactly what you need. Should also mention that the shower pressure is fairly decent as well. It's good, it works quite well. There are some rooms out there with bad pressure, but this one is good. Full mirror there. Now, the room, as I said, is 2 queens and the beds are fairly comfortable. But again, I always find this with MGM properties. I do find them very comfortable. Connecting door if you do have anybody else staying with you. Desk area if you need to put your laptop down and do any vlogging. Plenty of ports to connect. One thing I found strange about this is one of the outlet sockets is sideways. Not sure why, but it is. Minibar, stocked full of things. Very expensive things, I should say. And up here, a little bit more. Again, very expensive things. Ice bucket, glasses, chair. The chair's comfortable, it does the trick. Little glass table as well if you want to put any of your stuff on there. Whether you've ordered out or whether you've got something, it can go on there, but you'll see something else later on. Safe, no problem. It's one of those lift-up safes. Another drawer to put things in. And if you order room service, some kind of little table that you can put your stuff on and eat. So, taking a look out the window here, as I said, it's a strip view. Now, this was recorded in September, so you can see over on the left side, Harmon looks a little bit terrible because of the Formula 1. But the view itself from the 39th floor is quite nice. I like it. It's good enough. Just advertise it as strip view, and it is indeed a strip view. So overall, the room is clean. It's fresh. I like it. It's really, really good, and I would absolutely recommend staying in the Aria. It's a very high-class hotel, at least by some standards.